Hi, my name is Arsham Turkeman. I'm a fifth-year MBBS student, and I'm gonna talk just a few minutes about summer training program. Actually, summer training program was a very good opportunity that our university has provided for us to go abroad and experience other hospitals and medical hospitals in other countries. I have been to Bumrungrad International Hospital in Thailand for around 25 days, I think, and it was a very good experience for me. I have been posted in different departments. I've been to cardiothoracic surgery department, and I've attended a lot of surgeries with them. I've been with cardiology department, and I've attended clinic with them, and I've been with the respiratory doctor for ward rounds, and I've attended bronchoscopy with him and biopsy, and I had a very good opportunity to scrub in and assist the surgeon in a surgery, and the doctors were so friendly there, the staff were friendly, the hospital was really nice, the environment around was really cool, and hospital staff were so nice and friendly, and it was really good experience. I really enjoyed my time there. I was staying by a nearby hotel. It was one street between me and the hospital, and anytime during the posting, if I had anything in the hotel, I had to go back. I couldn't go back, and it was very good, it was safe, it was affordable. You know, actually everyone goes for a vacation to Thailand. I spent my time in Thailand for summer training, my summer actually, and I really enjoyed it. I made friends with a lot of people because a lot of patients from Gulf countries been there for treatment, and I was translating and helping the doctors there by translating what they want to say to the patients, and I was making friends with the patients, and a lot of patients, they were inviting me for iftar because it was Ramadan time when I was there, and I was fasting, so they were inviting me for iftar there, and I made friends with them, very nice people. They're still friends with me, and like they call me, and it was really good. I really enjoyed my time there, my summer actually. I spent 25 days there, and I enjoyed every single day. And weekends when I didn't have hospital, I was going around. You know, Thailand has a lot of tourist attractions, places you go and visit. It was nice. I enjoyed it. Summer training is quite important if you just want to make your vacation a useful vacation and you want to stay in touch with medicine. It will be a great opportunity for you, and it will be helpful later on in your career as well. We've done elective summer training, and it might be helpful later on. And I found it really useful and very nice opportunity and experience for me. And I highly recommend you, if you have the time, if you don't want to waste your time in summer and you want to learn something, you want to see something new, and on the other side have your summer vacation, just go for it and do the summer training. Not necessarily Thailand, anywhere else. I think anywhere else you go, it's going to be really helpful, and it will help you later on.
Summer training by Gulf Medical University Ajman in Asian Heart Hospital, Mumbai, India. Asian Heart Hospital, Mumbai only deals with patients with cardiac surgeries or any related cardiac complications and cardiac diseases. Where I had my student observership were in two departments, physiotherapy department and cardiac rehab department. In the physiotherapy department, they were all associated disorders with cardiovascular disorders, physical therapy, and in cardiac rehabilitation, it was mostly post-angioplasty and post-CABG patient rehabilitation. The environment at Asian Heart Hospital was very nice, very comfortable. The HR department helped me a lot with the summer training, and I successfully completed 2 weeks of summer training in which I had amazing clinical experience, skill training. The therapists over there taught me a lot of different maneuvers, tests, exercises related to cardiovascular rehabilitation. I'm very glad that I have been given this opportunity of summer training by Gulf Medical University, Ajman. In Asian Heart Hospital, there were a lot of patients, 20 to 30 patients per day, all from various walks of life and with various cardiovascular diseases. Some that include only hypertension and diabetes, while others are post-surgical or post-angioplasty. The therapists there were, I divided into physiotherapy rehabilitation therapists and cardiac rehabilitation therapists. So both of the two sets were headed by different therapists, and the whole team was headed by a doctoral of physical therapy. All of them helped me a lot with my clinical studies, with the experience in which how to deal with patients, assessment of patients, exercise therapy for patients, everything. They told me stepwise protocols which were observed in Asian Heart Hospital. Very friendly, helped me a lot with everything. Summer training program is an important part of student life, as with the curriculum you understand what is clinical practice, what kind of skills you need in physical therapy, and what kind of patients will you find and how to handle these patients. So the summer training at Asian Heart Hospital really helped me how to deal with cardiac surgery patients and the post-rehab of these patients, knowledge about different surgeries in cardiac rehab, the different kinds of technology that you see in cardiac rehabilitation. I would recommend summer training program in Asian Heart Hospital because there lack of a lot of cardiac surgeons in United Arab Emirates as well as lack of cardiac surgery patients in UAE. And so going to India and seeing these different kinds of patients with different kind of rehabilitation helped me to learn about the curriculum, understand what is there in a cardiac rehabilitation syllabus, and helped me for maybe I'll take post graduation in cardiorespiratory. So I would recommend all students of Bachelors of Physical Therapy to take the summer training opportunity by GMU at Asian Heart Hospital, India.
Hi, my name is Seher Ahmed and I'm a 5th year GMT student. I was given this opportunity by Gulf Medical University to go for my summer training to Budapest, Hungary, Szemmelweis University in my 4th year. My personal experience at Szemmelweis University was just great. The institution itself had 7 floors, each for a different specialty. For example, the first floor would be just conservative dentistry, the second would be pedodontics, the third would be pediatric dentistry, fourth was prosthodontics. And for oral maxillofacial surgery and other surgical procedures, there was a different building altogether. So we had to walk like about a 2-minute walk to the other building. The cases we saw there were much different from what there were here. Very different in terms of complications and diseases. And it was nice because what we don't see here, we get to see there. So we got to see things under general anesthesia and under surgeries compared to here. And the colleagues, the staff, the doctors, everyone was very helpful. Even though we don't speak the language, they made a point to translate every point. And if there were times we were puzzled and confused, they would come to us and would explain to us every little thing. And even the students, they were really helpful and they were very nice and friendly. And it was altogether a very good institute. Gulf Medical University provided us with a really good stay at the student hostel. It had a really spacious kitchen, a bathroom, a good room which is sufficient for at least 2 or 3 for people to stay in one room. And also the people in the hostel were very friendly. Close by we had a tram, which was a 2-minute walking distance. We had good restaurants and good cafes close by, for example Starbucks and McDonald's. Even for the Muslims, there was a halal shop close by, so no one had problems with eating. And I would say everything around fulfilled our requirements and we were very happy with the stay. The summer training program was very beneficial and it helped me a lot, not only in terms of experience, but also in how the different procedures are, what the clinical protocol is, what the infection control protocol is, how the doctors manage their patients, how the patients are dealt with there. And I would recommend this program to every student who is studying at this university. A summer training program really helps you in a lot of ways, not only in terms of experience, but in other ways. It builds up your personality, it builds you up as a person, and you get to know a lot of things which are happening around the world, new technologies, the different ways other people adopt in the healthcare society. So I would highly recommend this program to every student studying at Gulf Medical University.
Hi, my name is Salma. I'm a 5th year DMT student. We were given an opportunity by Gulf Medical University to visit Szemmelweis University, which is in Budapest, in Hungary, for our summer training program. It was a very good experience being in Szemmelweis University. The doctors over there were very cooperative, very helpful, very informative. Language wasn't much of a problem because whatever problem we had, they used to translate it for us. And the colleagues over there were very friendly and we got along very well. Staying there was a very good experience because the supermarkets, the malls, they were very nearby. And even when we stayed there during the Ramadan period, we didn't have any problem with the food because halal food restaurants, we could easily access them. And even the hostel management, they were very nice, they were very cooperative, and they made sure that we had no problem during our stay over there. And the people over there are very communicative and very nice, friendly, and altogether the experience over there was very good. The summer training program was a very good experience because it helped us develop our clinical skills. We were exposed to cases which we can't see in this part of the world, and I would recommend every GMU student to take advantage of this opportunity provided by our university, and I would highly recommend every student to go there, and because it helps you develop your personal skills and even your personality. We benefited a lot from the summer training program, and I would recommend all the GMU students to take advantage of this opportunity given by our university because it helps us develop our clinical skills and our personality.